Today we're going to touch on how to wind your watch, which is the first thing you would do when getting your watch. We're going to touch on the differences between an automatic and a manual winding watch, and how to properly wind each and the pitfalls to avoid. I'm Ryan Chong, head of watch operations here at Bezel. Within the Bezel app, you can browse, buy, sell, download it here, and to follow everything Bezel, follow us on our channels here. We'll start here with an automatic Rolex Explorer. An automatic watch needs to be wound and then has a self-winding rotor that will, if kept on your wrist, keep it continually wound. Taking off an automatic watch, it will stop keeping time when the power reserve runs out. This will require us to wind it again. So we unscrew the crown to the first position, and we can pull it out to the second. That would be where we'd set the time. But to wind it, we remain in the first position. Gently wind the crown away from you about 25 times. This is full 25 rotations. Overwinding an automatic watch can be harmful to the movement, so we want to avoid doing that. Once we've finished winding the watch, we'll take the crown, press it against the case, and screw it back in until it's flush. Now the watch is ready to be worn. A manual wind watch is a watch that does not have a self-winding rotor and needs to be wound by hand every time the power reserve runs out. For a manual wind watch, we'll use this Panerai radio mirror black seal as an example. The process of winding a manual watch is similar to an automatic watch. We'll unscrew the crown and we'll pop out to the first position. Then gently turning the crown away from us, we'll wind the watch. Unlike an automatic watch, we'll know we're approaching full wind when we start to feel resistance. Once we get there, we'll screw the crown back in when it's flush with the case. It's ready to be worn. Manual and automatic watches, while they are outdated, they're extremely special in how they're created, and they are composed of many mechanical parts. It's the artwork of crafting something by hands that makes them special and why people continue to buy them. Hope you like this video. Please let us know in the comments down below what you want to see next in the Take Care series. In the Bezel app, you can shop thousands of the hardest to find, most collectible watches on the planet. Track watches you want or already have in your collection. Learn more about watches with our buying guides, in-depth articles, and educational videos. Download the Bezel app to start browsing watches. Reach out to our concierge team for help finding anything you're looking for.